Hi, I'm Mukesh Kumar Goyal. When we bought a flat at Prestige Lakeside Habitat, we had a dream to make it as a dream house. The responsibility was with Nidhi to find out who will be the guy for us to do it, and she searched net. She searched a lot of stuff. She looked at many other interior decorators, but eventually we had to, when we saw Kamlesh work, and we really liked whatever he has done, and also we looked at each and every aspect of what he has done in the previous work. When we saw some flat and we like, yeah, this is what we wanted in our flat as well, and that's the time we started signing him up for the design. And from that day till today, I must say we had taken the right decision to sign up for him. All his designs we approved at the first shot. The reason being is what he presented to us and what we wanted has a perfect match. Even for any artifacts that we have bought, he gave us an option and we said, okay, this is what the first option we are going to go with. So over a period of time, we built such a confidence that whatever he says, what is our liking as well. When it comes to execution and we came here, it was going the flow we wanted. We know our puja date is fixed, and we were seeing here and things were moving at its own space, and we said, Kamlesh, this is what the date we are looking at, and he said, Mukesh, don't worry, it is going to happen. And that's the time 2 weeks earlier we met Guna, and he was also, his team, I think Kamlesh team is excellent, and I would say Guna is an asset to him. In 2 weeks, the 2 weeks earlier and the 2 weeks later was an amazing transformation of the flat, and it is to an extent that it turned out to become a dream house. I must appreciate the way he put each and every aspects to the house to become his baby, and once it is being delivered, it's really turned out to be the same. From work perspective, from execution perspective, if you see each and every corner of the house, it's been so perfectly done that there is no excuse from any of the corner, I would say. Now if I see, when I roam around in my house, I found it really amazing. I mean, each and every corner of the house, once it is decorated, it comes out perfectly. With that, I would like to tell everyone and recommend everyone, before they sign up any interior, I must recommend Atikaj to go visit his work and then take a decision.